Earlier Redmi phones have been all-rounders with a major shortcoming: camera. This year Xiaomi claims that it has not only improved the camera on the Redmi Note 5 Pro but also made it the strongest selling point of the device. With the new processor and the all-new optics, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the best budget device available right now. Corning Gorilla Glass. It's that incredibly popular hard glass. It's on most smartphones and tablets. Now particularly I just wanna kind of see what amount of pressure does it take, and wow guys, that's really amazing. Here you go, we got the circle on the screen. I just showed you guys how tough this glass was. So the first choice you're gonna have to make is go for a tempered glass screen protector. Well, my few fingers get stuck in these little shards of glass come off as you're dragging your fingers across, so it's a little dangerous, it's not very comfortable. On the back the phone is pretty messed up. Hi guys, previously we did the durability test of Redmi Note 5 Pro. If you haven't watched that video, you can find the link in the description given below. So today we are going to show you the repairing cost of Redmi Note 5 Pro. First thing, damaged screen replacement cost is 3,599 plus 18% GST, which equals to 4,246.82 Indian rupees. Back cover will cost 999 plus 18% GST equals to 1,178.82 Indian rupees. Battery was also damaged. Battery replacement cost is 699 plus 28% GST equals to 894.72 Indian rupees. Apart from these charges, you have to pay service charge too, which is 472 Indian rupees including GST, as you can see here in my case. If you take the total cost of repair, it is 6,792 Indian rupees including 300 admin fee. My phone's motherboard wasn't damaged. In case if you need to change the main board, 4 plus 64GB main board assembly will cost 6,960 Indian rupees including GST. Whereas 6 plus 64GB main board assembly will cost 8,494 Indian rupees including GST. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you found the video useful. This is Sci-Fi Jen and I am signing out.